how to change password on WordPress website. So this is a step-by-step tutorial, okay? So all that you have to do is to simply go to your dashboard, just like this one, then click on it. When it comes, simply come here to the users and then come here to where you have the profile and then come and select it, okay? So when you select it, simply scroll down to the button, keep scrolling, and then you are going to see this one, the account management, okay? And then here you can see new password, and then you can see set new password, okay? What you have to do is just click on it, and then over here simply come and then highlight the password that was given, and then put in your preferred password, okay? Just put in the password that you want, just like this one. And then when you are done, what you have to do is to simply come down here. So just scroll down here to where we have update profile and then click on it. So when you click on it, it is going to show that you have successfully changed your password. So as you can see, profile updated, and that is it. So that is how to change password on WordPress websites. So if you have any questions or any comments, just put it in the comment down below and I'm going to attend to it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.